Your car battery plays a critical role in your car's performance. Without it, you are literally going nowhere fast. That's why it's important to keep an eye on this car part, maintain it routinely at Toyota Service Center, and replace it when necessary. However, how long do car batteries last? It truly depends on your vehicle, your driving habits, climate conditions, and your car care routine. In general, car batteries should last 3 to 4 years. Some car batteries could last as long as 6 years, while others need to be replaced after a year or two. Here are some of the factors that affect how long your car battery will last. Number 1, how often you drive. Driving your car often is actually good for your car battery, believe it or not. If you leave your car sitting in the driveway a lot or only take it on short trips every once in a while, it can actually drain your battery because it's not getting the chance to charge itself up. If your vehicle tends to spend a lot of time inactive, take it for a 30 to 40 minute drive every week to keep the battery in good shape. Number 2, the climate where you live. Hot climates tend to take a harder toll on car batteries than cool climates. High temps can cause accelerated corrosion inside of the battery and also cause water to evaporate out of the battery's liquid electrolytes. This leads to decreased charge capacity and a weak starting ability. In the same vein, extreme cold can also do a number on your car battery and shorten its lifespan. When temps go below 32 degrees, car batteries can lose up to 35% of their strength and have to work that much harder to get your car up and running. Number 3, turn off the lights. How you use your accessories can also have a big impact on your car's battery. Remember, your battery is supposed to be used to start your car, not power your radio while you tailgate or run the AC while you sit in the parking lot. Further, if you're not careful and accidentally leave your lights on overnight, even an interior light, it can drain your car battery and leave you stranded. Number 4, if you get routine maintenance or not. Car battery maintenance is just as important as getting routine oil changes and tire rotations. You should bring your car to our service center so our techs can clean the cables and clamps, get rid of any corrosion, and inspect the physical condition of the battery. Ready to stop by our dealership and have your car battery checked today? Stop by Toyota of Clermont today.